Y'all, this your girl Shaquana coming to you loud, live, and in color with another eating video. See, damn it, hold on. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I forgot to get my cup so I can get me some more lemonade. Yeah, I'm gonna get me some more lemonade. Okay, how y'all doing today? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? I am wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. What I got today is I got some rice, some leftover rice from the pepper steak, and I got some turkey sausage. I got some turkey sausage, and I got some rice, but it has cheese in it. I love cheese rice. Yeah, I love cheesy rice. So anytime my mama do white rice, I put cheese in my rice. Yep. I've always been like that. So how y'all doing? Tell me what you ate today, y'all. I love to hear what people have for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or a snack. But this is what I'm having for dinner tonight. Cheese rice and turkey sausage. And it is so good. Oh my God. I'm sorry to be smacking, but I enjoy my food. Y'all tell me what y'all eating tonight. I love to hear what people eat for dinner. Maybe I can make it and share with y'all. So what we gonna talk about today, y'all? Let's see. I don't want to talk about Hurricane Harvey. It's sad. I've already done a video on that. But like I said in my previous video about Hurricane Harvey, I pray for the ones that are going through this tropical storm, and I hope everybody's okay. The ones that have passed on due to Hurricane Harvey, I'm sending out my condolences to the family of those loved ones and the friends. It's just, I don't know what's going on, y'all. I just really don't know what's going on. I don't want to talk about Agent Orange, because I really don't understand. Why would you get rid of the thing that President Obama put in place to protect people from stuff like this? Why would you, Trump trying to get, Agent Orange is trying to get rid of everything that President and First Lady Obama have put in place and have done. They're trying to erase this man from history. But we know what President Obama has done for us, and what he still continues to do, even though he's no longer president. Like, it makes no sense to me, y'all. I don't get it. I just don't. It makes no sense. A lot of people have watched my other video where I was eating the pepper steak. So it seems like people enjoyed that video. So I'm gonna keep on continuing to do these videos to show y'all what I'm eating. Hopefully y'all will hopefully y'all will catch on and y'all will enjoy my eating videos. Because I enjoy making my videos. Just make sure y'all comment down below on my videos. And that way I can make my videos a whole lot better. Come up with different content. Oh, I know what I want to talk about when it comes to YouTube. Okay. You got a lot of these big time YouTubers who got thousands of millions of followers. And that's all good and fine because you worked hard to get that many people. And I congratulate the ones that are in the thousands and in the millions. And I know how hard it is to get to everybody. I know how hard it is. Trust and believe, I only got 90 something, and it's kind of hard for me to get to everybody. But the people that do comment on my videos, I do get to them, and I do show them some respect. I show them some love. Even if I can't comment, I show them some love. Right? I give them a little heart, and then later on, if I can get the time, I will make a comment or I will answer their questions or whatever on whatever it is they made a comment about. Now, lately I've been seeing some YouTubers get straight up stank attitudes. Okay? And I don't understand it. If somebody say, well, how many times are you gonna do this? How many times are you gonna do that? They don't mean no harm by that. Okay? They just don't. They don't mean no harm by asking you how many of the same videos you're gonna do. They don't mean anything bad. They don't mean no disrespect. They don't mean no harm. So instead of you getting an attitude and getting on your channel being nasty, be nice about it. Just say, well, as many times I can, especially these eating videos. If somebody keep eating the same thing over and over again, and they ask, well, how many times, how many mukbangs you gonna do, how many boils you gonna do, how many, hot challenges you gonna do, instead of jumping down somebody's throat about it, just say, well, just say something like, as many as my body can take, or as many as my body can handle. Don't just say as many as I want. Don't be nasty, cause you, the same way you got them subscribers, you can lose them subscribers with your funky attitude. And I don't understand why people wish to have nasty attitudes when it comes to YouTube channels. Yeah, that's your channel. You do what you want to do on it. But you got to remember, them are your subscribers. Them are your fans. Them are the ones that support you, whether you know it or not. They support you. They're not trolls. They're not haters. They just ask to answer the question. Did not mean no harm. And they don't deserve the disrespect. And I handle people the way they handle me. And if I feel like somebody did not do anything wrong to me, why would I jump down their throat like that? To me, that's just not cool to do. Because you can mess around, wake up one day, and all your subscribers could be gone. All because you got a stank attitude. A lot of these subscribers, they got thousands of, a lot of these YouTubers, they got thousands and millions of subscribers. If you got a stank attitude, you need to keep that attitude in check. Go on vacation. Get off of YouTube for a couple days. Regroup. Smoke some weed, have a drink, get laid, do something. But don't ever disrespect your subscribers, because they are what make your channel. Yeah, you work hard on your videos, but your videos ain't crap unless somebody's watching your videos. So show some respect to the ones that's watching your videos. If somebody make a comment saying how many of the same videos you gonna make, just be nice about it, because they ain't coming at you the wrong way. Just be like, as many as I can, as many as y'all want to watch. You know, something like that. But you don't have to be nasty about it. You don't have to be mean about it. I've seen some YouTubers be just so nasty when they come on their channel, and I don't get it. I just don't get it. Now, if you have some trolls that want to come on there and be just downright disrespectful, okay, I get it. Okay, I've had some trolls, and they got dealt with. But I can tell the difference between a troll and somebody that has a sincere question. Okay? And I've never disrespected a subscriber, and I never will disrespect a subscriber of my channel. That's the reason why I put my email address up, so if you have any questions, you can always hit me up privately if you have a question of me that you want me to answer privately. Okay? I don't believe in embarrassing nobody. And that's what a lot of these YouTubers do. They embarrass their subscribers without actually saying their names. And I think it's wrong for you to disrespect and embarrass your subscriber when they have a legitimate, sincere question. And if you cannot tell the difference between a sincere question and just a dumbass question, you need to be off YouTube for a while and know the difference. Because it makes no sense to me that people are so mean on YouTube. People are just so mean and so nasty on YouTube. I'm nice to everybody. I'm nice to everybody. Until you come for me, okay? And I don't go off on everybody. I sit there and I read the question. I read my comments over and over again before I make a comment. Because once you go off on a subscriber, once you go off on a subscriber and it's a misunderstanding, you ain't getting that subscriber back. So think before you react, because you can really mess your whole channel up by being disrespectful. I'm just saying. And when I hear people say, I want to start a YouTube channel, you got to have thick skin. You got to be patient. You got to be understanding. If you're not understanding of what somebody is saying to you, just leave it alone. Just hit the like button and keep it pushing, because you can mess around and you can for real misunderstand something somebody said to you, and you'll go off on that person and you will end up regretting it. Then you'll be feeling this small because you did the wrong thing. Don't be so quick to react to everything that somebody say and do to you. Because reacting too fast, it for real will get you in a world of trouble that you cannot get out of. And I would hate to see somebody mess up the hard work that they put in to their YouTube channel over a misunderstanding. So make sure you do your homework when you start a YouTube channel. Make sure you do your homework even if you are not new to the YouTube world. Still do your homework. Watch other YouTubers that doing the same thing that you're doing. I mean the exact same thing. If you're doing seafood balls, look at other YouTubers and see how they are handling everything. Maybe you can learn something. I still watch other YouTubers. And that's another video right there. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly who I watch on YouTube. Okay? I'm gonna tell you exactly who I watch on YouTube. I'm gonna recommend for you to go over there, over to these people's channels and watch them if you like stuff that I like to watch. Cause I like to watch different stuff on YouTube. It ain't all the same thing. I watch mukbangs. I watch seafood balls. I watch makeup channels on YouTube. That's the main reason why I started watching YouTube, was to see how women put makeup on, to learn how to do makeup. I learned how to do makeup watching Fearless Queen. You know what I'm saying? I learned how to do makeup by watching Megan from Meet the Nelsons. And when she do her makeup tutorials, I watch her too. I watch Fearless Queen. Miss Divine the Purple, when she does her makeup. You know, I learned different tricks and tips. I don't do all that other, contour. I don't do all that. Cause that just take too much work. I'm done. I didn't have a whole lot tonight cause my stomach kind of sick. But that's it for this evening video. But thanks for coming to my channel, y'all. Thanks for watching this video. But I will be doing a video, like I just said, tell you who I watch on YouTube. And once I tell y'all who I watch, please don't go over to their channels being disrespectful. Please don't. Because I don't want y'all saying I sent you over there and then you be disrespectful. Because I don't want none of them folks coming to my channel, which I know they won't go. I know they're not going to do it. I don't want them coming to my channel fussing and cussing at me, which I know they're not going to do. But, yeah, don't go over to these people's channels and tell them I sent you and then you be disrespectful. But that video is coming up next. And that title of that video will be YouTubers that I watch. But until next time, cheers. Have fun playing with your nails if you wear nails. If you're growing your own, have fun playing with your makeup if you wear makeup. And y'all, please live life, because God only gives you one. Mwah! Yeah.